Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. The other day, my son came home from school, desperate for the loo. I opened the door for him and he pushed past me and rushed into the toilet. After doing his business, he disappeared off upstairs to do some cubing. He's currently obsessed with Rubik's Cubes and all the many new variants on that particular theme. About 3 minutes later, my wife went into the same toilet and saw the mess that he'd apparently left, called angrily for his name, and when he came down, she gave him a bit of a bollocking, a bit of a telling off about the state that he'd left the toilet in, and demanded that next time he cleaned up after himself. Still something he's working on a bit, our 10-year-old. As he walked past me afterwards, looking slightly sheepish and slightly crestfallen, I said to him, in a friendly, jokey kind of way, "That's you told." We often use this expression to mean, usually in a kind of joking way with people we know quite well, "You've been properly told off and corrected. I hope you've learned your lesson." We can also use it, maybe it's more commonly used like this, to talk about ourselves when we think we've been corrected or told off for what we've said or what we've done. So you might be telling a story about something that happened to you in Australia, and you might say, yeah, so I was spending a couple of weeks in Sydney, the capital, and maybe one of your ultra-correct friends interrupts you and said, "Sydney, you idiot, everyone knows that the capital's Canberra, puh." To which you might respond by saying, "Right, okay, that's me told. Anyway, I was in Sydney, which isn't the capital of Australia, because that's Canberra, and as I was saying," one more example. On the day before Valentine's, this last week, February the 13th, it was a Monday, I was in one of my local shops, and in front of me in the queue was an old lady, and in front of her, buying this huge great big box of roses, was a young man. And as he turned round, having paid for his huge great big box of roses, the old lady said to him, "She's a lucky lady." And without missing a beat, he said back to her, "Actually, he's a lucky man." And the old lady replied by saying, "That's me told. That'll teach me to make assumptions about people." And I just responded by saying, "Hey, you live and learn." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use "that's you told" or "that's me told."